Some people have said that I'm quite disgusting with my choice of foods. I love all kinds of weird stuff. Peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter. I'm going to show you some good stuff. Anyway, I scoop out a bunch of peanut butter. Okay, come on, peanut butter, get out. Get out! Okay. When I say a bunch, I don't mean like a whole bowl full. I just mean a good bit. All right, look at that. Put the lid back on so I can set that aside. Right, now I've got some bananas over here. These old bananas have been sitting around for a while. I'm going to take this one right here. This one's like I don't know, it's kind of mushy, but it smells good. Might be a little brown in there. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. They're pretty disgusting, aren't they? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to save that for banana bread or something later. Ew. If these weren't quite as bad, I'd really use these. I don't know. I'll probably give those to the chickens, but all right. This right here is old-timey. This is good stuff. Old-timey sorghum Alaskan. They say it's biscuit sopping good, but in my opinion, this is just good on anything. Of course, I can't. Oh, there it goes. There have been times when I really, really could not. Pour just a little bit of that on there. Not much, just a little bit. Yeah, get it off the lid, get it off the edge. Man, I love that stuff. All right. Yep. Put that lid on so I can set it aside. Now, the secret ingredient. Ovaltine. I know. Y'all just don't like it. But I do. This is great stuff. What else? I don't know. There have been times. Oh. I can't do anything without some coffee. So I'm going to pour a pinch of coffee in there. Not much. Just a pinch. Just a little bit. Now. I'm gonna don't spill it, but I'm just gonna take this and start mushing it up until it's all mixed up really good together. I know it looks awful, doesn't it? I actually had somebody here one day that was watching me do this. It was in a smaller bowl, but the same ingredients, and they just thought it was just horrible, awful, disgusting stuff, and they actually nearly threw up their dinner. And but anyway, I just thought this would just be really, really good to show you guys. Why? Because I like to show you disgusting stuff. That's why. All right. Get it to a point to where you can, get a little quicker without spilling it. Just start mixing it up really, really good. Really, really, really good stuff. All right. Why'd I put coffee in it? Well, one reason I put coffee in it is because I love coffee. That's probably the only reason. I just keep mixing until it's just thoroughly mixed up. Look at that. It's almost, it's kind of like a loose Nutella, right? It's got the It smells good. It's like a loose Nutella, is what it is. Even though it's still peanut butter. It's peanut butter, molasses, Ovaltine, and coffee. Wonderful stuff. Wonderful, wonderful. Now what I do is I get these crackers like this. I get me a little plate. Actually, in my case, I get a big plate. Why? Because I love this stuff. Anyway, take a bunch of crackers. And this is really good, like if you have a bunch of people and you want to make hors d'oeuvres or something like that. Put a little bit of that on each cracker. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Ooh, look at that. It's almost a bit much on that one. I wish you could smell this. This really smells really, really good. But I just take these and I do it until I got a plate load of these crackers with this wonderful, wonderful good mixture of peanut butter, molasses, Ovaltine. I always get the chocolate Ovaltine, and a little bit of coffee. It wasn't much coffee. It was just enough to kind of dampen it up and mix it up good. You don't want it too runny, but you want it good enough to where it kind of holds its structure, I guess you could say. It's not going to fall off or nothing like that. Man, no, that is good stuff. Hors d'oeuvres.